Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com, just taking you through a quick look at our RACI chart templates that are available for download on our site. First one is the simple chart, where you just put person or team name in these top cells, and then the tasks on the left side here. And then you simply pick from the drop down whether the person up the top is supposed to be responsible, accountable, consulted, or informed about each task. The next one is the small team matrix. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the task here, when it's finished, you just click ready. The status is conditionally formatted for each different one, as is the priority. And then you just type in the names of the people under each section. Pretty much it. The last one is the Gantt chart combination, which works exactly the same as the last one, except you can also click the timeline over here to make a Gantt chart for each task as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.